complete forecast, here's KATC meteorologist Daniel Phillips.
Well, some showers going on out over towards the west, as we'd kind of expected and have kind of followed the script that we had laid out for them a little bit earlier on today. They have stayed below severe criteria. A couple flashes of lightning, some gusty winds, especially with some of the storms offshore, and those are going to be worth keeping an eye on. Those are the storms that are out over towards the west. You see those on the satellite and radar picture right now. A lot of clouds out there, and I think we get some scattered showers here as we go through the next couple hours. We'll keep an eye on the radar to see if any kind of flare up, and now that the sun has gone down, you're going to lose out on some of that energy. Now, as we go into tomorrow, sun comes back up, we start to warm up a little bit. We've got another day with isolated showers and thunderstorms that will have the potential of becoming severe. Marginal risk for Saturday. You'll have to be on the lookout for damaging winds as well as hail. An isolated tornado or two can't be ruled out, but your predominant threats are going to be wind and hail with storms that we see tomorrow. Now, the tornado threat does inch upwards a little bit as we get into Sunday. Sunday looks like it's going to be a little more organized. There's a little bit more energy there for storms to work with. So be very weather aware as we go through the weekend, not just Saturday, but into Sunday as well. And problem is that a lot of these are going to be pretty isolated and scattered, which means that, there's a little extra burden in keeping an eye on the radar, monitoring the weather as you go through the day. Futurecast has done pretty good with these systems so far. It's not hugely bullish on storms for tomorrow, but again, those would be small-scale storms that the model might have a hard time picking up on. You do see a spike in activity as you get late into the evening, especially for northern parts of Acadiana, probably along the Highway 190 corridor areas northwards of I-10, that kind of range. Even going into Sunday, I think is where we're going to see the worst of the activity. So there's those storms you can see rolling through. Surface lows going to move through the Arklatex region tomorrow, or on Sunday rather, and bring with it some pretty strong thunderstorms as well. In fact, let's take a look at one of the longer range forecast models here. This will take us up into the afternoon on Sunday. You can see big time storms out over towards our north, and I think for the most part it'll be northern Acadiana that sees the worst of it. If you're down along the coastline or even along I-10, you may not be guaranteed to even see rain from this kind of system. And that's how it's been the last couple of weeks as well. You've seen some areas that have stayed dry, that have stayed away from the thunderstorms, but there have been, in both cases, severe storms in Acadiana. So that's what we'll be watching for. Around those storms, these are going to be your threats tomorrow. Damaging wind, hail, tornado threat will be there, a little more isolated. Again, we're watching those storms out there tonight. They're fairly scattered, and the stronger ones seem to be dying down as well, which is good news. 66 for your overnight low, 76 for your high tomorrow. Very still out there. It'll be still going into tomorrow as well. Wind's not going to be doing a whole lot. Be muggy. You'll feel that moisture kind of creeping in. Wet weather expected Saturday and Sunday. Quick break for Monday, Tuesday, with more showers on the way for the midweek. There's your look at weather. Don't go anywhere. We're back right after this.